From across the room, this is the kitchen. Okay, let's get closer. They have a rope here so that the employees don't come across. Doesn't stop the dust though and the dirt. Okay, we brought my old table in to give us an idea of the room in here. And this is like there's where the TV goes, small TV. And this is like my microwave. And then they're going to put glass inserts right there. 10-foot buffet. And then we're not sure about putting something up above or not yet. We don't know. And the door to go outside. And then here's some kitchen counters. We don't have everything yet. Oh, one of my nice features is this is a bread box. Let's see. See? It's got a lid for bread box. And this is another one. 2 bread boxes. All right. I love that.